Alright guys, today we're going to be showing you the immersive engineering silos, one for liquids, one for items. So first you're just going to place down your treated wood right here, a circle like that, not circles but square. You place a sheet metal block in the middle and then you're just going to go over top of it, leaving the center hollow. You're going to repeat this step 4 times, so that's layer 1, there's layer 2, layer 3, and the 4th layer is going to be sealed off. And this is the liquids one. And then you take your immersive engineering hammer, left click, and boom, you've got this cool looking silo. Now, personally, I'd put it up on up in the sky or whatever, but yeah. And then you can add liquids in like this, and you can see right on the side it shows you the little meter of how full it is. Now, next I'm going to show you how to build the next one, which is the item one, and then we'll get into the inputs and outputs of those failing right here. Inputs and outputs of that thing. So it's the same start. The 4 treated woods go like this, but instead of going up 4, we're going up 6. So it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 up, 4, 5. And on the 6th one, just seal it off like before. There you go. I thought I messed up, but as you can tell, they got a little bit different look. And this one's for items. Now this one you can either, I believe, maybe I'm wrong, but you can use a hopper for this one, or any other sort of input device. You're just going to toss that in there, and it's going to start loading up your silo, and as you can see, it's got this cool little indicator here. Now I believe this holds 41,000 something items per silo, but it's good for mass storage for immersive engineering. And if you want the items out, you just pull them out from below. So if you want the items to come out, there we go, like that. Now that's the inputs and outputs for this. The items, they're pretty simple. You don't have to use hoppers. You can use any sort of input thing. Actually, let's test something over here. It's Christmas, or it's Christmas Eve right now, so that's why our chests look like that. Alright, so it doesn't work on a chest, but it will work on a hopper. Next, we're going to come over here, so let's grab some tanks. Open tanks should work. We'll just fill this up with water. So for this, you need some sort of liquid moving thing, and we'll go with the Ender IO conduits for just because they're in the pack. And it should, I haven't tested it, but it should just pump the water right out of there and directly in. And there you go. So that's how you do that, and you just do the exact other thing right here. So if we have an empty tank, say, oh we don't, but any sort of tank, you could pump the water out. You just gotta config the thing here. So there you go. You got your water pumping out, and you can pump it out into whatever you want, but it's pretty good storage unit. Better than these tanks, because I say so. They're just cooler. But yeah, that's the inputs and outputs of the tanks, and they just look so much better, in my opinion. They might not be the most efficient storage source, but that's okay. And also you can use a redstone signal on the bottom of these, I believe, to stop the items from coming out automatically, or vice versa, whatever. But yeah, that's about it for these silos.